Leo, do you have the hiccups?
Leo.
Does eating lunch give you hiccups?
Not anymore. Not as much. Oh, there's a good one.
What are we gonna do today? Are we gonna go visit Grandma and Grandpa? And eat and poop and sleep.
Oh!